Since September 29, 2009, Gina's Barbecue has been serving Iligan City with quality foods. The founder of Gina's Barbecue is Sir June Bartolome. However, it was named after his sister, Gina Bartolome. They used to be sidewalk vendors at City Hospital. When they had enough funds, they made it as a venture to sell barbecue and puso. And even if it has expanded, they chose to let the simple ambience of the restaurant remain so that it will represent their humble beginnings.
Hello guys, it's Life of AB. Good afternoon. So karon na kami sa Gina's Barbecue. Magbuhat mi og mukbang with Team Iligan social media marketers and influencers. Na diri si
Lena Traya, guys!
Nasi,
Yan ko yan, please like and subscribe.
and lastly,
Kucing vlog.
enjoy the vlog! Hi guys! Good evening! So karon na kami again sa Gina's Barbecue and we're gonna try their food. No, so namin diri karon serving since social distancing gusto gatag sa aming table. So here we have wait, we have barbecue, we have isaw, kawali, and chorizo de Cebu, which is homemade sa Gina's Barbecue. And then we have also sisig. Then I have here suka ni Bining, which is from the lola of the owners. Then we also have chili garlic. So, spicy lovers nila. Chili garlic. So, let's try. Anta guys! First, let's try the barbecue. Nag-cameo! Lord kasi pa. So, medyo spicy ang... baka napalibot. Medyo spicy ang nalhang barbecue. Very tender ang barbecue and you can see na ang marinade is balanced din siya. Wala na sobra, wala na kulang. Very nice. And then next we'll try the isaw. It's my sister's favorite. Okay, so isaw. Unlike sa mga isaw nga, you can, dagan kay isaw sa Philippines, no, you can eat isaw anywhere, but the difference between sa ilang isaw, aside sa marinade, insakto, I think for all the grilled foods, is, ang isaw nila is wala siya baho. So not disturbing to the nose because some na mga tao nga magkaugisaw sa sidewalk, they turn off sila sa baho, but kani wala siya lang sour. That kind of smell. I know, you know what I mean, diba? I actually don't like isaw that much because of the smell. But yun is, okay siya.
Ulit chart. So ako naman ako sa barbecue.
Inom na guys. Next we have kawali. And since wala man ni siya ay spicy sauce, I think, so we're gonna dip it on chili garlic. Okay, honestly aside, chili garlic. I think it's a normal chili garlic lang, but of course with the hint sa ilang family tradition or family recipe. With the kawali, the usual kawali, fatty. But I don't feel na luod siya na pag fatty, Some kawali, when you eat them, kanang pag mag-bite na ka, like, gawas dito tanan grease. You know, bidli ka na siya, guys. But kanya, I think they contained it very well. Amazing.
Wala po siya tinaban, so it's right. Actually guys, ako naman sure daw guys, for 30 years.
Next, we have the homemade chorizo de Cebu.
Hindi ka barbecue.
Ikuan na ni Sir Butch, guys. Okay. So, let's try the recipe of chorizo de Cebu. Gina's barbecue version.
Wala yung char. Sino bisama sa lechon? So kako, Gina's barbecue. So kani bili, ilang kada ka na suka doon na dito.
So, with the chorizo de Cebu, sweet and salty. I think the only thing that's difficult is ang yung kwan, yung wrapping. Lisod ka siya, kito, lisod ka separate, but siguro na timingan lang ako chorizo na, you know, gahi-gahi, but it tastes good. Same usual, like, I think because chorizo de Cebu, yung signature style is kana na sweet, you know, and savory flavor. So they've achieved that, obviously. Then next we're gonna try the sisig. You see, nai, pork chop, and then scrambled egg, and then the sisig, of course. So what I'm gonna do, dyan ako siya sa suka ni Bening. Then let's try.
Alright, so homemade yapon.
Okay. I love the suka. Like what Sir Jun claimed earlier, ang suka nila is all organic. Ayun, ang ingredient is based on palapa, which was very good. Me personally, I love palapa. The taste of the suka is very good. The sisig, now here's scrambled egg and, you know, pork chop. And normally sisig, diba, it's kind of wet. But I like how the taste plays in your mouth because of the variety na is smooth, na not so smooth, and nabigahi. So I like it. So final verdict for the foods, you know, wala pa man na sa Milky. Food is really great. If you want to save, you know, then daghan mo, like, let's say 6 to 10 packs, you know, family, I would love to recommend this place. Food is good. Barbecue is good. And I feel like it is for all around. You know, like, siguro kung matambay man ka, student man ka, worker, you know, it's for everybody. And it's always a comfortable place, an ambience. You don't need to be formal or something. You can have some laughs, maybe even some beers with your family. So yeah, there's that. And I like it. Muna ako pinaka-recommend dyan ang suka, guys. Best ang suka ni Bening. So guys, muna ang among social distancing. Diba?
Sana all.
Sana all nag-follow og social distancing. Okay, so I'm back, guys. So since I'm not really a fan of teas because of my religious standards, no? Yeah, so I'm gonna try just the double chocolate. Lite tea ang name, ano nila, no? So this is just is a product yapon from the family of the owner of Gina's Barbecue, but you can find it direct mismo sa Gina's Barbecue, and if you're going to avail for delivery, it is still available under Gina's Barbecue. Let's try. Okay. Yeah. Triple day, guys, double. I'm so sorry. Triple chocolate cheesecake. Ako din mo na siya kung ano. Mga particle. Na siya boba. Bobita. Alam mo siya, guys. I love it. Pero siguro if you're gonna drink something like this, you know, triple choco, Gamay lang siguro na servings because, you know, itong mga tienda, guys, no? It's so sweet, man po. So, let's get moderated on the sugar. Yeah. So, it's really good. And, since I'm not that fan of tea, let's ask Sir Nars. Sir Nars, anong masasabi mo sa ilang light tea?
And kaya light tea man gud siya is duha sa milk tea and fruit tea man gud. So ako na try is milk tea with dalgona. So yan na siya ka nice nindot po siya.
Okay, dalgona. Now let's head to Sir Butch. Ano sa'yo mo na try Sir Butch and what can you say?
Alami.
Lami. Speechless si Sir Butch. Unsay name? 4 berries.
Nice kayo, lami.
Unsay taste.
Lami kayo.
And then lastly, we have aking bagong kumare sa aking channel. The newest member of is me, Ate Claire.
Hi guys!
So, unsay mong gitilawan and what can you say? Fruity.
Fruit tea guys. Na siya
Sa mga healthy dra, no?
lemon, cucumber, and then apple. This chia seeds this or no?
No, it's this is it.
Ah, okay. Napad siya yung mga pearls. Lamig siya kayo siya guys. Ganahan kayo ko kay sa kaning dili po kayo kong milk tea. Labaw na fruit tea.
So, mas lagi pa sa mong ex.
Bali lang yung
Okay. So, mo to siya guys since, yeah, kailangan naman namin i-maintain ang social distancing and hindi naman pwede na mag-share mi sa milk tea. And it's more than enough no, ang gihatag sa mga sa Gina's barbecue. So, that's it. For me, I highly recommend the food. The triple chocolate. It's very nice baba, no? But of course, we need to eat moderately. Just a little of everything. Dili magpalabi sa tanan. Let's eat healthy and stay safe during COVID-19. Bye, guys! Please like and subscribe.